Hello, welcome. A table for two? Yes, may I see the menu? I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Welcome. A table for how many people?
A table for 4, please.
Follow me, I'll show you your table. Can we have a table by the window? Of course, please follow me. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here is our menu.
What do you recommend? Our grilled salmon is very popular.
What ingredients are in this dish?
It has chicken, vegetables, and our special sauce.
Is this dish spicy?
Yes, it is a little spicy, but we can make it less spicy for you.
Great, thank you.
Are you ready to order? Yes, I would like the grilled chicken, please. Great choice. What would you like to eat and drink? I'll have pasta and a glass of orange juice, please. Excellent, I will get that started for you.
Can you make it less spicy?
Sure, we can make it mild for you.
Perfect, thank you. How long will it take?
It will take about 15 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
How is your food?
It's delicious, thank you. I really like it.
I'm glad you enjoy it. Can I have some extra sauce, please? Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you. Excuse me, where's my order?
I'm sorry, your food will be ready soon.
I think this is not what I ordered.
I'll replace it for you.
Thank you. What drinks do you have?
We have coffee, tea, fresh juice, and soft drinks.
Can I have less sugar?
Sure, we can make it less sweet for you.
Perfect, thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Do you have coffee or tea?
Yes, we have both. Our coffee is very popular.
I'll have a coffee, please.
Can I get a refill, please? Of course, I'll refill it for you. Would you like some dessert? Yes, I'd like to try the chocolate cake. Great choice. Can I have the bill, please? Of course, I'll bring it right away.
Is service charge included?
Yes, it is already included in the bill.
Thank you for the great service.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept cards and cash. Would you like to eat here or take away?
Can I get this to go, please?
Sure, I'll prepare it for takeaway.
Can you pack the leftovers, please? Of course, I'll pack it for you. Can I have a takeaway bag, please? Of course, here you go. Thank you.
Hi, I'd like to order food for takeaway.
Sure, what would you like to order?
Excuse me, I ordered something different.
I'm sorry, I'll replace it immediately.
Excuse me, my food is cold. Could you heat it up, please?
I'm sorry about that. I'll take care of it right away.
Excuse me, there is something wrong with my food.
I apologize. We'll prepare a new one for you.
Can I speak to the manager, please?
Of course, I'll call the manager for you.
Hello, I'm the manager.
I have a problem.
Excuse me, this food is too spicy for me. Can you make it milder?
I'm sorry about that. We can prepare a less spicy one for you.
Excuse me, I think one item is missing from my order.
I apologize. I'll bring it right away. Excuse me, could you clean the table and replace this spoon? I'm very sorry. I'll change it immediately.
Excuse me, I think there is a mistake on my bill.
I apologize. Let me correct it for you.
Is everything okay with your meal?
Yes, everything is perfect. The food tastes amazing.
I'm happy to hear that. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, can I get more napkins, please? Sure, I'll bring some for you.
What does this dish taste like?
It has a rich flavor with a little sweetness and spice.
The food was delicious and the service was excellent.
Thank you so much. We're glad you enjoyed it.
Good evening, Dar. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a table under the name Sarah.
Would you like to sit inside or outside?
Outside, please. The garden looks beautiful. Could we split the bill?
Sure, I can separate it for you. Thank you.
Here.
Do you offer takeaway?
Yes, all of our menu items are available for takeaway.
Great. I would like to order...
Excuse me, my order hasn't arrived yet. Could you check it?
I'm sorry for the delay. I'll check with the kitchen now.
Excuse me, this food doesn't taste right.
I'm sorry. Let me check it with our chef. I'm sorry, all tables are full. Would you like to wait for a table?
Yes, that's okay. How long is the wait?
About 10 minutes.
Can I order this without onions?
Of course, we can prepare it without onions.
Thank you.
Could you bring me another spoon, please?
Sure, I'll get one for you.
Can I get this without ice?
Of course, no ice. Could we have another plate, please? Of course, I'll get one for you.
What is your most popular dish?
Special steak. Our special steak is the most popular dish here.
That sounds delicious.